Hi, welcome back to the Food Hoodgie channel. My name is Chai. Today we're going to make the most delicious raita made out of beetroot and chestnut. This is my little take on a traditional raita recipe, and these are all the ingredients that you're going to need. Now, if you don't have gochujang paste, you can easily use chili paste, add a little bit of sugar to it and spice it up with some more chili powder if you want. Essential for this are the chestnuts. I bought whole, and these were the kind of vacuum packed ones. They are so soft and they break in really nicely. So we started off by rubbing the garlic into the bowl a little so that when you add the yogurt, it's got that added flavor that's going to get absorbed into the yogurt. And I've grated in some garlic. It's actually just one clove of garlic. And I've mashed that together with a gochujang paste, added the yogurt, make sure I've mixed it in really well. Now I'm using dairy-free coconut yogurt here. It's such a delicious yogurt. It's also on the sweeter side, so I'm not adding any sugar. But if you're using normal dairy yogurt, it's going to be a little bit sour, so you might want to add about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of sugar to kind of adjust it to how sweet you'd like it. So that's your base layer done for the raita. Next, you're just going to season it with salt, however salty or less salty you'd like it. Then I'm chopping up the beetroot into two different sizes because it just makes it more interesting when you're biting into the actual raita later. So the first lot was chunky, the second lot is a lot smaller and cubed up, and I give it a little mix. You can also put in some crushed pepper, but there's enough spice here already. As you can see, I'm mixing it up really nicely. Then I've gone in and crumbled in about 3 to 4 chestnuts. And then I'm going to sprinkle on some chili powder just to garnish and some roasted cumin powder, which is a must. And then some drizzle of basil olive oil. This olive oil is so beautiful. The raita is great with anything. You can have it with some pita bread or any burger that you like. I made some courgette fritters. I'll be sharing that recipe soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.